Hey everyone, David here. Quick question. Have you ever tried to start or scale a video content agency and then got stuck at the exact same place every single time? Client onboarding. You land a client. You're excited. Then you realize you now have to dig through their website, figure out their brand voice, understand what they sell, what they stand for, who they serve, what tone they want, what style they like. Then you're emailing back and forth, waiting on answers, revising, clarifying, rewriting. And suddenly what should be a fast win turns into a 3 to 4 week mess before you even produce the first piece of content. If that sounds familiar, you're going to want to pay attention because this is exactly the problem Micro Content Agency is built to solve. But before we jump in, I want to make sure you grab everything I put together for you. Check the link in the description box for my full written review, where I break down the OTOs, the discount offer, and the all-in-one bundle deal. Plus, I'm including special bonuses that cover different areas of digital marketing so you can get better results with this tool. Things like content planning, client getting strategies, offer positioning, and simple systems to help you turn the software into real income faster. So if you want the best deal and the full breakdown, go hit that link first. All right, now let's get into it. So what is Micro Content Agency? Micro Content Agency is the world's first AI platform that can read a client's website, extract their brand voice, and build a complete video content system in minutes. And the big promise here is simple. It removes the biggest bottleneck in running a video agency, which is onboarding. Instead of spending 3 to 4 weeks trying to understand a new client from scratch, Micro Content Agency helps you turn that entire process into about 10 minutes. So you can go from new client to clear direction and ready to produce content without the usual delays, confusion, or endless back and forth. Now in this video, I'll show you how it works, what you actually get, who it's best for, and whether it's worth picking up today. All right, here's how Micro Content Agency turns a website URL into 30 days of content in 10 minutes. The whole system is built around one simple workflow. Step 1. Paste client's website URL. Your customer enters their client's website address. That's it. The AI does the heavy lifting from here. Step 2. AI analyzes and builds complete brand profile. Micro Content Agency scans the website and automatically extracts brand voice and tone. Formal, casual, technical, friendly. The AI identifies how the brand communicates. Target audience. Who are they selling to? B2B, B2C, specific demographics, unique selling points. What makes them different? Why should customers choose them? Industry context. What industry are they in? What topics matter to their audience? Content opportunities. What should they create videos about? All extracted automatically. No questionnaires, no discovery calls. Step 3. Generate 30-day content calendar. Based on the brand analysis, the AI creates a complete content calendar. 30 video topics, 60-90-day with upgrade. Categorized by type, educational, promotional, behind the scenes, engagement. Scheduled posting dates. Strategic mix that builds audience and drives sales. Your customer can show this to their client immediately. No planning sessions needed. Step 4. Create professional videos with advanced AI script generation. For each topic, Micro Content Agency generates custom script. Advanced AI script generation writes in the client's brand voice using website analysis, selects AI voice, 3 natural-sounding voices, creates AI visuals, 30 visual styles from claymorphism to Pixar to photorealistic, adds music and captions, professional finishing touches. Result: broadcast quality videos that look like they cost 500 plussers each. Step 5. Publish directly to YouTube or download. Direct YouTube publishing. Auto integration, no manual uploading. Automatic title, description, tags. Schedule future publishing. Supports YouTube Shorts and long form. Or download 4. Facebook, Instagram Reels. TikTok, clients' other platforms. Total time: 10 minutes from website URL to fully scheduled 30-day content plan with videos ready to bring in targeted leads. Everything you'd normally spend 4 to 6 weeks building, done in 10 minutes. And because everything is organized in your multi-client dashboard, you can manage up to 3 clients without the chaos. with upgrade options available. Each client has their own isolated workspace with their brand profile, content calendars, scripts, and videos. You're not juggling spreadsheets and folders. Everything is in one place.
Just checking the airflow and pressure levels. Everything's within optimal range. Good to know it's running smoothly. Your system's in perfect condition.
From messy to spotless, we make every space feel fresh again. Step inside a home designed for comfort, style, and everyday living. Quick tip, sit back into your squat, keep your chest tall, and drive through your heels.
Got a plumbing leak? Trust our experts for swift solutions.
If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resell rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
So that wraps up my review. Now, before you decide, I highly recommend checking out my full review linked in the description below. On that page, you'll find a complete Micro Content Agency walkthrough and demo, a full pricing and OTO breakdown, including the bundle option, an honest breakdown of who this product is best for, and my exclusive bonus package designed to enhance different areas of digital marketing like traffic generation, automation, content creation, and monetization. Those bonuses are meant to help you get more value from Micro Content Agency and improve your overall online marketing results, not just your streaming platform. So if you're serious about building your own online business, driving traffic, generating leads, or creating new online income streams, click the link in the description, read the full review, watch the demos, and see if this tool's the right fit for you. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.